Hello, fellow gardeners. I'm going to spend just a moment here. So many people text me or call me and say, I know I saw you talk about this on a certain video, but I can't find that video searching back through because you have to go through so many videos of other people's too. But I'm going to show you a little way to get into my videos and see every one of them without seeing anybody else's. So we're going to turn the camera around towards the TV. We have YouTube on our TV. I'm sure most of you do too. You can do it. This is the little secret that you do, whether you're on your phone or on the TV, either one. So we're going to turn it around to the TV, and you can see we go up here to search. Whoop, I went too far. You go up to search, and then go over there on Gardening with Leon. You can see a whole line of there. Go to the Gardening with Leon and punch on it. Now then, it's going to come up there, and you see my picture right there? It says Gardening with Leon. Okay, we're going to punch on that right there. Get the circle on it, and then punch the center button, and it goes right straight to it. Now then, you have the whole 166 videos lined up in order that you can go back through. See, now we're going to start. There's number 166 that we put on just this last week. There's the devotion we put on last week. Then we just keep going right on through, and you can go back through all of our videos and not have to look at anybody else's videos to find the one that you wanted. You'll recognize it when you get back over here if you watch. And I know there's you have to go a little ways, but anyway, find the one that you want. I just wanted you to see how you can line these up, because I had a man told me I need to fix a website and put all these in order. Well, they are in order if you punch on this picture up here. Not that I'm a great looking man or anything, it's just that that's the way you get to them. Well, it's not here, it's got to go back out. Let me go out, let me go back and see. All right, see, there it is right there. All right, see right there, that video, that one right there, a picture of me. Get on that one right there and punch the button, and it will take you to just our videos. Here's the last one, 166, and then 165, 164. And that way you can get back to what you wanted a lot easier. Now, and I don't mind you texting me or calling me, but I really can't tell you which was the video that you're looking for until I go back and search myself. So just do it this way, and it's easier for you to go back and look at all of them, because I know they put them different ways. But anyway, I hope this helps you a little bit, and we thank you for being with us on these YouTube videos. And I tell you what, I'd like to ask you to do something for me. You know, all this money from the videos, from the subscriptions, and from the views, and also the ads they put on, you watching them a little, we get a little bit of money off of that. All of this money goes into that scholarship fund / children's encouragement fund, because you know we're going to send out a mania check this fall to children that are growing in a bucket or a container of some kind, because we're going to see that every one of them get a check. So how you can help us, we don't ask you to donate money or anything. I'm going to ask you to be sure and subscribe to the channel so you can always get the notifications. But also, if each one of you out there, we have 135,000 subscribers. If each one of you out there will just tell 5 people about us where they can watch, if you think we're something good that they could do that encourage them to help their kids grow more of their food and learn to eat what they grow, it would mean so much to us, and it will benefit the kids so much. So if each one of you will just ask 5 people to subscribe to our channel and go to watching some of our videos, and if they need help in their life, ask them to watch our devotions. I'm not a preacher. I've just been a child of God for many, many years. You know, we're in our mid-80s, and or close to the mid-80s. We're I'm going to turn 84 in August. It's no secret. I'm an old man, but I love the Lord, and I've loved Him all of my life. And we just appreciate you helping us to encourage these kids, these children, to grow their own food, because things are getting tough around the world on food. There's going to be a shortage. Okay, I've said enough. I'm going to get off of this, and I pray that you'll punch a button, ring the bell, and subscribe, and tell 5 other people. Thank you.